Welcome back, everybody. This is Amari with Doing RV. Today we're looking at the fuel, Heartland Torque Fuel 2020. This is model 352. Let's take a quick look on the outside. Nice 30-pound tanks. Door there. Nice size pass-through. It's not the biggest I've seen, but it's still a nice size pass-through. Water heater bypass. Battery shut-off. Electrical wire pass-through for your, looks like your cable. Got your solar hook up here. Let's check out this front bin. If I can open it. It's got an Awning 5500 generator. If you want, I can do a video on that. I have one of those. It's got an auto leveling. Let's check this side. Now, just to give you an idea, this is 1,700 pounds. It's got a drive weight of 12,817. It's got a cargo capacity of 4,137. This is the pass-through. Here's your water connections. That's where you pull your valves. It also is, it's got a hitch weight of 3,060. It is 38 feet 7 inches long. It's got a 13-foot garage. It's got two 7,000-pound axles. It's got 100-gallon water tank. It's got 74 gallons of gray tank, 85-gallon black tank. It's got a 6-gallon water heater. It's got a 35,000 BTU heater. It also has a 15,000 BTU air conditioning, and this is a 50 amp service with 2 slides. This is the outside. I like the speakers on the bottom here so they're not blasting everybody in the campsite, unless you're into that. This is the cable driven system for the slide. As you can see, it's got the nice solid steps. Makes it so much nicer when the kids are trying to jump in this thing and the whole thing starts shaking. Let's open this door up. Let's take a quick look inside. As you can see, this is the Heartland Fuel 352 2020. It's got a nice couch here, enough for about 4 or 5 people, depending on how big you are. It's got the nice TV, so if I'm sitting down, facing this way, you can still see the TV. It's got a nice small speakers here. This is kind of nice. I haven't really seen this. Nice small cubby hole. From there and up here. Oh, you got some nice room up there. Nice size TV. Let's see what's in here. This is your controls. Normal size domestic refrigerator. Oh, that's a nice deep spot there. It's nice deep cabinets. Now you guys, let me know if you guys want me to start measuring how deep these cabinets are. Just let me know. I'm still new, I'm still learning, so bear with me. These are my first few videos. The more I do, like I said, the better I'm gonna get. But I need your review and feedback so I can give you the information that you need. Because like I said, my goal is to go full-time RVing. So for what I've learned is you have to offer somebody a product or service. So eventually I would be doing that as well. You know what, let's go back here first, because this is the main part that most people buy a toy hauler for. They want to know how big the garage is. They want to know how much room they have for their toys. They want to know how big you can get in here. You know, like the big side-by-sides, big four-wheelers, or I'll call them quads, but dirt bikes, canoes, kayaks, bicycles, an office, whatever. There's so many uses for the toy hauler. And from what I've measured, because my first one is kind of off, so I decided to measure this ahead of time. It's actually 13 feet from the edge there to the back of that door, to where the door is exactly 13 feet. Now this has that patio decking. That takes 5 inches away from you. So remember that. If you have a bigger vehicle, a bigger side-by-side, you have to choose. Now I believe you can open those to the side. Let me check, make sure. You can go this way. No, you can't. They're stuck. They can only go out, they can't come in. So you gotta choose whether you want that or not. Remember that it takes out 5 inches. So, and the beds, they go pretty high. Now I did measure how tall from the top of this roof to the floor, and that was trying to look at my notes here. It was 8 feet 7 inches, I believe. But what you really need to know is how big is the door? How big can you fit through that door? So from what I measured, it was 8 feet high. That door, 8 feet high, and it was 7 feet 9 inches wide. So whatever you believe you can fit. And the beds, obviously they're not all the way up, so I can't get an exact measurement, but these do fold down out of the way. So you'll have this. I can give you a measurement of mine, because mine's pretty similar how high it is. But let's say if you don't need the beds, or you just want to put air mattresses, and you got one of those big toys, you can actually remove these beds and pull them out of here. So you can actually fit your big toys and no one can see what you have and try and steal it or whatever else. Alright, it's got a half bath, which is great. One of the most favorite things I have in my toy hauler is having a half bath, because if you have kids, especially teenager boys, you can't get them out of that bathroom. Now, you get the bottom here, nice small sink. This is my hand. It's small enough. It's small enough to just wash your hands. Just use the bathroom. That's all the kids need. They don't need much. Or people that are dirty, they can come straight back here and not get the whole house, your whole camper all dirty, because they could use the one back here. You got your vents here. You got one here. You got one down there. Looks like you got some nice big storage up there, looks like. That's nice. Some controls for the beds. Oh, the fan. I didn't see how many ACs there was, so Usually you can add a second AC because it's a 50 amp service, I'm pretty sure. You're gonna have to probably look that up. I haven't looked it up. But anyways, that's the one AC there. Wow, this is a nice size closet there. This is the bedroom. It's nice. You can actually walk in, have plenty of room to walk right in and lay in the bed. This is a queen size bed. Now this size is a little bit tighter. Hey, I'm okay with that. As long as you can actually walk in and walk around this place, because some of them are so tight you can barely get in. So it's kind of nice to where you have a spot where you can actually change and get ready. Got a nice small there. You got a nice little top here to put your stuff. Nice little one over there. Nice and big up there. Nice spot to put your phones and whatever else you want to put up there. Be nice to get a cover for that. Just put your guns or whatever in there. Be nice. Let's check. Wow, that could definitely fit in there. This is pretty nice and big in there. Now let's check out this bathroom. Now I like this, kind of like this bathtub. And I'm sure a lot of you ladies will like it too, because it has that step there. And I know a lot of you like to shave your legs, and it gives you a nice little spot. You just go, oh yeah. And you got a nice little opening here. I haven't checked it. Probably looks about 6'2" or so for that opening. It's not actually that tall in here. It doesn't look like. It's probably about. And nice countertops here. Nice spot for your place for you to put stuff. Wow, that's a big medicine cabinet. Nice side there. Plenty of room for the toilet. Whoops, I just flushed the toilet. There we go. Just sit there here. Got that. Yep. That's all you need. Alrighty then. This is a nice unit. So if you're looking for a place for the kids in the back, shut the door, let them play. Boom, you got it. Now, they give you the measurements for what you need for your toys there. Went through here. This is a sink, nice big sink. I don't think I've gone through this side to see what's on. Did I look on this side? I don't remember, but I'll show it to you anyways. Well, that's a nice big opening underneath there. Let's check in here. I don't think I looked under there. Nice big spot for pots and pans. Nice little spot for whatever you want. The options are absolutely limited. Oh wait, I didn't notice that. You can actually put stuff under the step. That's pretty neat. Oh, is this one of those fancy? Oh, there's your fuel panel. Oh, whoops, there goes the fuel panel. I was thinking it was one of those indoor vacs, but it's not. Psych. So that is our tour of the Heartland Fuel 2020 352. Let me know in the comments below what you're looking for, what I can do better. The more I do it, the more I'll come out and be myself, and the better I'll do for you. So give me your info, what you need, and off to the next one. All right, thanks guys.